Module 1, Introduction to Tally. Hi, I am Dr. Veena Patel and you are watching my channel English Literature Gujlish class. Please subscribe, like and share my videos with your friends. 1.1. What is Tally? Tally is accounting software used for recording day-to-day business data of a company. It helps in managing accounting, inventory, taxation, payroll, and more. The latest version is called Tally Prime.
1.1 ટેલી એ એકાઉન્ટિંગ સોફ્ટવેર છે જેનો ઉપયોગ કંપનીના રોજિંદા વ્યવસાય ડેટા રેકોર્ડ કરવા માટે થાય છે. તે એકાઉન્ટિંગ, ઇન્વેન્ટરી, કરવેરા, પગારપત્રક અને ઘણું બધું મેનેજ કરવામાં મદદ કરે છે. નવીનતમ સંસ્કરણને ટેલી પ્રાઇમ કહેવામાં આવે છે.
Key uses: accounting, journal, ledger, etc., inventory management, taxation, GST, TDS, payroll, MIS reports. 1.2 Features of Tally: simple interface, easy to navigate, multi-user access, useful for medium to large businesses, real-time processing, data reflects instantly across users, multi-currency and multi-language support, scalability, can be used for small to large businesses. 1.3 Tally versions: Tally 7.2 VAT and TDS, Tally 9 Enhanced Features, Tally ERP 9 Complete Enterprise Resource Planning, Tally Prime Latest, more user-friendly and powerful. We will focus on Tally Prime. 1.4 Installation of Tally Prime. You can download it from Tally Solution official website. Steps to install: 1. Run the installer. 2. Select Install New. 3. Follow the prompts. 4. After installation, launch Tally Prime. If you need a free version for practice, Tally provides an educational mode which allows non-commercial use. 1.5 Understanding the Tally interface. Once you open Tally Prime, Gateway of Tally, main screen or dashboard. Top menu bar. Options like Create, Alter, Display, etc. Right panel. Actions such as Masters, Transactions, Utilities, Reports. Bottom bar. Keyboard shortcuts. For example, Alt plus F3 to create company. Hello everyone! Thank you so much for the love and support you've shown on my previous video. Your likes and encouraging comments truly motivate me to keep creating more content. I've made this new video especially for you, and I hope you'll enjoy it just as much. If you find it helpful, don't forget to like, share, and let me know in the comments. Your feedback means a lot to me. And yes, if you like this one too, I'll definitely bring another video very soon. Thank you once again and happy learning!